Hi everybody, welcome to Dashboard Portable Workshop. I'm Rob, and in this video I'm going to talk about our product called the Outrigger. The Outrigger is simply an extension of your work surface, whether you have one of our benches, the Festool MFT3, a Craig table, or one that you might have built yourself, as long as it has tracks on the sides. And it simply unfolds by loosening a couple of knobs, and then it's nice and smooth. Those come up against some stops, tighten the knobs, and you're ready to go. Now, you'll notice here we have a couple of mounting brackets that have a significant amount of height adjustment in them, and that allows you to set it up with different tables and different track locations. Then we also have adjustable feet, which allow you to accommodate varying terrain. So the idea is that you would set the mounting brackets up one time in plane with your work surface, and then when you're setting up in different places on different surfaces, you might just adjust the feet to get everything in plane with your bench top. Now, the Outrigger is compatible with our other accessories. You can mount guide rail brackets and track stars on the front, no problem. We also have this item called the ripstop, which is an adjustable kind of flip stop that is useful for referencing materials off the edge of the table, because we have what we call a long rip configuration with our benches, where the guide rail runs along the length of the table and you're cutting off the edge, and you can set a dimension for a workpiece on the right side of your blade. It all coordinates with our parallel guides, our rip gauge, and our entire system. You can mount the Outrigger on the end of the table as well to give you extra length. It opens up a lot of possibilities for how you process sheet goods. And with our bench specifically, allows you to very easily deal with full-size sheets, both for ripping and cross-cutting. You would have two of these installed on our bench, one at each end. And so it very conveniently supports a full sheet, whether you're splitting it down the middle lengthwise or cross-cutting it all the way across its width. We can accommodate that with the Outrigger and associated accessories. Now, this makes working with full-size sheet goods easier, safer, and more accurate. And you might find more enjoyable than using a table saw, because it's a heck of a lot easier on your body. It also takes up less room than if you were using a table saw, because if you have a full sheet, you need the length of the sheet plus the saw plus the length of the sheet out the other end. So this is way more convenient. Now, we will have other videos, both on our site and YouTube channel, showing some of the more detailed functions and how you can get the most out of your Outrigger. Thanks for watching.